Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Zoom ready and minimizing interruptions. Open the Zoom app and join the meeting. Make sure you're signed in. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and enable Do Not Disturb so alerts won't interrupt sharing. Then tap Share Content in the meeting controls. This is the first actionable step. You do this now because the app must request system permission, granting it makes the screen broadcast available to other participants. After tapping Share Content, choose Screen and then tap Start Broadcast. Zoom will request permission to record the screen. You must allow that system prompt, otherwise sharing won't begin. Once you confirm, a 3-second countdown appears and the broadcast starts. Now switch to the app, document, or browser you want others to see. Whatever is on your display is what participants view. Make sure to keep necessary controls within the iPad interface so you can navigate without exposing private content. To finish, tap the red status bar at the top of your iPad and choose Stop, or return to Zoom and press Stop Share. If participants report a blank screen, open Settings, find Zoom, and confirm screen recording permission. Adjust and retry. When audio or video freezes, quickly restart the Zoom app or reboot the iPad, then rejoin the meeting. This clears temporary glitches. Finally, tell participants you've stopped sharing so everyone knows the broadcast ended, and you can resume normal conversation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.